Hey guys, welcome back to MMA today. So it appears we have really big news. It appears to be that Khamzat Chimaev has retired from the UFC and MMA altogether. He put a post on Instagram. He said, "I want to thank you all for supporting me in my journey in the sport. I think I'm done. Yes, I know I didn't take the belt, but it's not the most important victory in this life. It may upset you, but my heart and my body tells me everything. I want to say a big thank you to my team, All-Star Gym Sweden. I want to say a big thank you to you, UFC." And that's with the Google Translate. I'm shocked. I literally can't believe this man retired because he just announced a couple of days ago that he's going to fight in June. He must be going through some serious stuff for him being, 26? To say that he's done. They just flew him out to the United States to get treatment, right? And I thought he was feeling better. But man, this shit is something else. He had so much expectations on him. I mean, he took the UFC by storm. Is he really done? I don't know. I can't believe it still. But anyways, I want to get your thoughts. Go ahead and please like this video so people can see, because I think I'm breaking the news here really on YouTube. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and we'll keep you updated if more news does come out. Peace.